Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to level up fast in Goblins Wood. All right, let's begin. To level up quickly, focus on clearing obstacles and destroying veins as fast as possible. Obstacles reward you with currency, which you can use to upgrade machines or purchase stronger goblins. Instead of rushing forward with weak goblins, prioritize upgrading them so they can handle higher level veins efficiently. Balance progression by upgrading machines that provide the best return. Compare upgrade values and choose ones that increase your income significantly. Stronger goblins and better machines will speed up overall progress more than pushing forward without upgrades. Use magic runes to automate machines and boost profits. These runes save time and increase efficiency, especially when upgraded. Collect magic dust from chests, labs, and trees to enhance them. Make use of dungeon rewards, free chests, and time skips to accelerate progress. Time skips can instantly advance gameplay when used correctly. Stay active to maximize efficiency as idle play slows progress. So that's basically how you can level up fast in Goblins Wood. That's it for this video. Thanks.